This will be for the con exercise, find angles in isosceles triangles. So today's exercise will be based on the base angles theorem. And that states if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite them are congruent. Okay, so we will be going over that when we do the problems. All right, they want us to find the value of x in the triangle shown below. Now, if you'll notice, all of the three side lengths are given. Okay, this side right here is 3.3, this side here is 3.3, and this side right here is 5.1. You want to look for sides that are congruent. So we can see that this side here is 3.3, and this side here is also 3.3. And we just stated in the theorem, the angles opposite the sides that are congruent are also going to be congruent. So you want to go from the sides that are congruent and go across from that side to the angle. Okay, and then mark those angles congruent. So you see this side right here, if we go across from that side, we have this angle right here. And if we go across from this side, we have this angle right here. All right, since the sides are the same length or congruent, the angles are also going to be congruent. So if this is 39, this is also going to be 39. And that's in degrees. All right, so you're going from side to angle. And we know that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so now we can make an equation based on the three interior angles. We have x plus 39 plus 39 equals 180. So x plus 39 plus 39 equals 180. Okay, all I did was add the three interior angles and set them equal to 180. All right, combining like terms, we have our x, and of course 39 plus 39 gives us 78, and that equals 180. Okay, solving for x, the opposite of positive 78 is minus 78, negative 78. We'll do that to both sides. 78 minus 78 cancels. Bring down your x. 180 minus 78 gives us 102, and that's in degrees. Okay, final answer. If you want to double check, you can do 39 plus 39 plus 102, and you should get 180. Anyhow, you just enter 102 in the box. All right, click in the box, 102. They already have the degree symbol, so you just write 102. All right, once again, find the value of x in the triangle shown below. All right, these are all the same types of problems. All right, once again, you want to look for sides that are congruent. They give us the three side lengths. Look for the ones that have the same length. So we have a 7 and a 7. Okay, that's the side length. And once again, you want to go from side to angle. All right, so look for the congruent sides and go across from the side to the angle. All right, so this angle is x degrees, and across from the other 7 to the angle, that angle is going to match the other one. It's also going to be x degrees. All right, so now we mark three angles inside the triangle, three interior angles. And once again, we know that the interior angles of a triangle are going to add to 180. Okay, the whole thing adds to 180. So we have x plus 80 is going to equal 180. All right, we said x plus 80 equals 180. All right, if you want to double check and make sure those angles were correct, yes, that one is 80, that one is x, and this one was x. So x plus 80 equals 180. Okay, combining like terms, x plus x will give us 2x, and that's plus 80 equals 180. Okay, and I could have done this all in one step, but since I have the variable on this side, I want the numbers on the other side, so I'm going to subtract 80 from both sides. 80 minus 80 cancels. Bring down your 2x, and 180 minus 80 equals 100. Okay, solving for x. X is times 2. The opposite of times 2 is divided by 2. And I'm just going to do that to both sides. And of course, 2 divided by 2 cancels. X equals 100 divided by 2, which is just 50. And that's in degrees. All right, if you want to double check, x is 50. This was also x, so this is 50. If you want to double check, 50 plus 50 is 100 plus 80 equals 180. So it checks out. So x is just 50. All right, click in the box and just enter 50. Degrees is already there, so just enter the number.